Well, Yasaba, the Muna was here to come on the show, and so my main cow say hi a year Badwam on multi a year TV and make cow say, yeah, they will come on the bro, non pepe, ye pajamu, and say. Now, Memphasa Quenya will soon cow say, and come on, Yasha Sianisa, especially within the new patriotic party, and bra resignation, Sasha say, yeah, Mana Malfons, Sasha said, your money so I do, and the Omutim Pony Musu to a year igba over here nano dana era Alan Kojo chairman thing and they can say Dr. Usefri Akotoso and the Atoso and I feel be a chassis aiding in common new patriotic party a sea hinifono DNT I want to say a bread same as I say assume see that's all benting and yeah they to me a shannon some the MPP amanyo could anymore. The more da power about to because MPP munu era Alan Kojo chairman thing Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Nimyan for a year Kennedy a compre kwe Japan, Dr. Usefri Akoto, Anafi Ira Boachi Ejako, Ana Ira Ade Nimo, Ana Ira Kwabne Japan. We na emuabe da hose bibia ansankemwa nipa nso nipa nwotwi Ira Joga tensu nimso no so etechire oboko no so no opportunity. Tie bia nipa nwotwi nkunu bi de ade omobaba prese ombe frankato forma MPP amanyuko na ekoba ne se a wo party ni hihye se no mosia me ate ase no wonu free bibi super delegates ho no ombe kwakoso ne so na omayi enipa enum na afisa enum na timi akosi akan na yimu baako na baako na be frankato for ama eye MPP amanyuko nti obehwa wona amabro mudin so nyina dodo na ahase ekwa probo if ebi shase agende ba fedie emu ya da ho fan nti no wona shase titu wona omate si fom na wono wo na nado danko akufu ado aban ni mu a na omukura tumi bi omogyamu atie si fom se won person me akandifo nti omokoka hono ensem wo wono nto abom no afedie e dead se ensem nyina yayi obeba na ano da nura ni nachi eye era Alan Kojo chairman odi nkomo o kasa kire party for kasa kire Ghana for ni team po ane ni nsusuye ane na ni suade hu na ono gidi se sa kwanya e beto ho amana be frankato for ma new patriotic party gidie sonko a party ne dia amano no se Ghana for nso e benya sa gidie na woni mu a o de nsachae kese pa ne e kanko ne mpuntu kese beba sa so na eye era Dr. Usefri Akoto nso ono nso de ne hihye e betu dwa megidi se bre se fatem era kere de Japan ono de nhihye betu dwa bre se fatem Dr. Mahmoud Baumia era adainimo era Kwabne Japan ana era Boache Jako ana era Jogati wonu nyina wo titiriw ntia wonu susu se esese yetimi ema wona kwanya ma omo so de omonim de beboa MPP amanyuko no for now anzana ya during the bigger picture makacho that say the obvious choice within the NDC is the former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and no de Opo Untiasio, Oshe Inframa Ebo a year the National Democratic Congress Mua Bibia pointed to that individual, say unknown the Bayer of flag bearer for the 2024 elections. Clearly, why and John Mahama ABC sa akaino from the other side of the divide, in this case the MPP. In Tianope, spokesperson for Alan Kojo chairman yenua bema ye ofa ye dihye na Ohene-Ntow my guest ene ebetwetwe ye nkomo de betimi de abo aka kakra se ye bekoye nchi na yera Alan chairman nkomo a odi kire ye na ano da no ya bobo no nkiti de ebrebe ma ye ho kwan ansana mene nana Ohene-Ntow ahye ye nkomodie no ase nti ye crowd si ye bebo sa afidie na me sa afasa kwanya we so ama me nua Dominic edua me ma no ono so yako ye kasa de ne ma me afimi me admanda otwi ye mu na wi ye wa agona nsaba ho na okope ne korabia nti ya enim Dr. Dominic Edua yen kota na chi na ye ma ne yako de shede so is very very important ne ma me afimi Ghana gas penyipa so onso nua ba na ochida na ohwewi also di nua ba na ochida nti Dr. Benjamin and Bernard Asante also ya connection ebra onua ba so erade atos afre no. It's unfortunate say share ye na senioma esa ACC, but always God knows best. Enti emamu nyina shedin. Kwesi mintim member of parliament and also honum and also ne yeka say ne maame and also erade atos in the 40 days. You see mu dey 40 days adoa na and I'm going to say adoa, yeah. 40 days now. So I share so bekoso era a member of parliament question team ne na boboa nti mun share no na ankofo ina no o me kujom that he say why crowd am intimate Alan Kwajo Chairman ne nkomo no kakra bia odi tudwa na afi yembra back na Ohene-Ntow be special guest ye ne ntwitwi nkomo na afi ye na wonso asese waje bra wonso utimi ehwe na utie Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so yekwaba.
Fellow countrymen and women and friends of Ghana, let me start first by wishing you all a happy, healthy, productive, and a prosperous new year. Secondly, I wish to express formally my profound gratitude to His Excellency the President for the opportunity given me to serve the good people of Ghana in his administration over the last 6 years, and for graciously accepting my resignation as Cabinet Minister responsible for trade and industry with effect from the 16th of January 2023. Thirdly, I wish to use this platform to formally announce my decision to contest the flag bearership of the new patriotic party when the party officially opens nominations for that purpose. His Excellency the President, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, has been a good friend of mine and will always remain so, based on our shared commitment to the ideals and principles that inspired the founding fathers of our great party, the new patriotic party. We have competed in the past, but have always worked together thereafter. The President has laid a strong foundation for the socio-economic development of our country, although I believe there are things that could have been done differently. My vision is to build a superstructure on this foundation that will bring prosperity to our nation. The pre-COVID-19 performance of our economy, the flagship programs including the free SHS, the One District, One Factory initiative, the Planting for Food and Jobs program, the Agenda 111 project, and the COVID-19 response initiatives are all testimony of the strong leadership that the President has provided over the last 6 years. In spite of all the above, however, it is an undeniable fact that the combined effects of the COVID-19 pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine war has stampeded our country into a crisis of unprecedented proportions, with a negative impacts on the economy, on businesses, and on our social lives. I have no doubt that the anticipated International Monetary Fund IMF support package will restore confidence in our economy and bring it back to pre-COVID levels. Fellow countrymen and women, this is the 17th time that we have gone to the IMF over the last 57 years. We promised never to go back, but we've gone back. One of the lessons that we have learned from the recent developments is that Ghana's economy is still fragile, vulnerable, and susceptible to both external and domestic shocks. This primarily is as a result of the fact that our economy is highly dependent on the export of commodities with little or no value addition. Indeed, the 5.1% projected GDP growth for the Ghanaian economy for 2023 is based on the anticipated increase in commodity prices. To avoid going back to the IMF, we need a new plan, a plan that will lead us to a more self-reliant and resilient economy. That plan must move Ghana from stability and growth to transformation. Fellow countrymen and women, If by the will of God and through your goodwill, I'm voted first as the flag bearer of the NPP and subsequently as President of the Republic in the next general elections, I will become the transformational leader of our time, who will build on the foundations that have been laid by successive leaders of our nation over the last 65 years. To achieve this strategic goal of transforming our dear country to become the shining star of the new Africa, I will, as President, launch and lead the execution of the Great Transformational Plan, GTP of Ghana, which will span the period 2025 to 2030. The post-COVID economic recovery program, currently being implemented with the anticipated support from the IMF from 2023 to 2025, will be a transitional economic program leading to the rollout of this great transformational plan. Countrymen and women, before I proceed to provide a brief insight into the key elements of this great transformational plan, 7 critical considerations will need to be taken into account to guarantee the success of the plan. First, the primacy of the private sector in our national development agenda. The private sector, both domestic and foreign, formal and informal, has to be at the center of our transformational agenda. The government's focus must be to facilitate the process of making our private sector competitive by creating an enabling environment for businesses. 2, attitude to work and enforcement of discipline. We as a people should appreciate the need for discipline in all spheres of our national lives and change our attitude to work. Whether you are working for the private sector or for government, as a worker, you are not doing a favor to your employer. It is your duty to ensure that you earn your living from the efforts of your labor. 3, corruption and petty theft or thievery, particularly from the public purse, deny our country the benefits of utilizing its tax revenue and other resources for the development of our country. 4, the arrogance of power has been a major obstruction to progress in our country. People in positions of authority must understand that leadership is an opportunity to serve the people and not to lord over them. In servant leadership, humility is an asset and not a weakness. 5, passion for excellence. As a country, we must celebrate competence and excellence and not mediocrity. 6, as a people, we must focus more on getting things done than just talking. Ghana is gradually becoming a NATO country. No action, talk only. We need to remember that the use of time is a zero-sum game. What Ghana needs now are solutions and actions, not debates. 7, and last but not the least, our politics in Ghana is too divisive. This keeps out some of our best talents in offering themselves for political appointments. Yes, we pride ourselves as being the bastion of democracy in Africa, but that does not mean...
Alan Kwadwo Chairman, and what is ordaining 7 in this one, watch a good kama or chim said you to the number on the new to say, in ability to see Emma or my Ghana. Yanya the Kasama for medical culture, he needs no introduction about Ghana, a manual about New Patriotic Party. Party nan Kasafa Permanent Comoa. He has a Otrano Combus a BBA. One parents will make us a BBA, Aokeka, any opepa, any munyam, some Kwana, Modia, manual semino, never ye, but a BBA in the power back and before Emma a year, and the pair of Hossa Bernard. No, in two enemy guests. Nana, Afishapa, Aquabazo. Bibia, that is good, say, Ibishan wedding Comosa. Say, Penny feared you. Okoko about Fana Nechi, now Obusaba community. Nana, Memo Aquabe, near Tiesman say a campaign, ma, Wangasa Ura, Alan Kojo Chiremantin. And then the Maunya 2 minutes runku, the GDS runku be all these years. Say Alan Kojo Chiremantin and then every 2 movie.
Wait a minute, that's it. I mean, so, Memma, 1 year, share any 80 in answer for Shapa. And say, before baby, Nana, you tell catch it, you do baby, Adom, you say, a drew baby, and I said, Oko Sabatica, Kakra, Intimiko Sabatica, na my resume. Na, ya fano yunia bema, mia midnia penny, madame for me dofo, Alancha Martina. Menena nantiache. Na ansa kuranza na yebi gura MPP politics mono. Na odi dwuma bi de ma United Nations a. E hyase se Empretec Ghana. E chiri eko Empretec Africa. Na sabre no. Na enkrofo a ye ne ankasa ye nnwuma nkakra na yehia entity bi ene mmoa bi efa ekwan a yefa so korakora ye adwuma ema adwuma no ekoyie na ohaw bi a obroni be frɛ no sɛ business management mu ye nim no yie ya enti etumi ma adwuma no etofom no wodi sa adwumadie no ya United Nations ta na chi na odi adwuma na ade tete ebema ene ma mrante ne mabawa ya ikuta ye ne adwuma bebre Ghana ha akasifo bebre afiri mapie Africa bibrim firma pie sabre na na so me yemi di adwuma nti no tumi to nsa frɛ me ma me ba be ye PR and communication presentations ewo Empretec workshops ne seminars ne bi nti sabre no mu na me ne nyankuta hudia na me hunu senia nadwene ne suban ekwan a wo fa so eye na adwuma ene kwan a wo fa so hye ne niam na kandi tie no obepe masem na me so bepe nasem nti firi ho no a besi sabre die me na din sa wo so a ansakora ansana ye begura MPP politics mu ankasa na eno nso me behunu ni yie na fe ye beko ye internal elections yi mu a ono nso wo be kire se na ni gye nti me nso me hwa na kire se adwuma saa no obi a owo saa adwene no se de wosi dwene niema ho se problem bi obroni problem ana issue bi na beba ansa na alachamaten ebema yesi gina na kire se ye bewura mu ado sukwa ko na o sha se fi na first principles na ho ni ya na ni framework na gise ye hunu nani so ansa na wesi gina ye me nso me feel se ye hyehyɛ niema se wa wo ye wadwuma o se wo be ye oman adwuma o se wo susue ne wadwene ne kwan a wo fa so hunu ensem ne niema se ye di ho dwuma no etesa ya na eboa pa alright eno nso ya de ba ko a ema mani gi ne ho ema mani ne nkuta hodie no nso emu ye
but that's it for this brief but the most important thing I'm paying is say hwe MPP baby ejina na hwe Ghana baby ejina na hwe the kind of candy for Ghana for to do na hwe nim say maybe obaba be ye free tibia iwomi yentuma pipe say frano within your party Alan Kojo Chiremantin e was our might no say or is our popular na say they receiving
the dikai wo ba MPP mu a MPP ye party a se wo de ho ema party ne som ene ne yedi a party no na ni so a free party ahyese ena yewura alanchamaten odine huwura party a free 1991-92 na odine huwura mu akopem se sabre no na obekaye a ye be ye fourth republic politics no na Ghana politics no na emu ohye kakra ufa free 1981 31st December edeba 82 Rollins be so niamam soja aban ene de kokko so ewo private sector media mu ene the judiciary ensam ne de edoso na eba se ye bewura political party dispensation mu for fourth republic no na political parties na bebre CPP kura de na CPP egu anesa because o share the way a NDC e form here no na che say CPP ahoden nyina e kokowura NDC nti CPP de entimi anhye da nyina na so MPP any another political party apart from NDC no etumi sorry man hom no so yie pa na gina emrante ne mabaawa bi etese alanchematen etese owura ban redu a onya ne ba bi koro etese owura makmanu etese owura kandapa ene emrante ne bebre kofili nom koro Japan nom ne ade sabre na me medium nti na me ni wompa yie ana wo form Young Executives Forum na sa Young Executives Forum no na alanchematen ne da no ebra me kan no esane kwan a Rollins ode womo a enye ne party for na wono susu se be Ghana eskafo na abisisi omanfo na yaye ni se edina ne bebre eskafo so pa hene ya mpa se wo ba aban kro no wo ma aban kro once a wo yesikani ne de sa abre no na wo hawo na won ye political opposition JH Mensa Kwame Pianim sa nipa no owura je Kufuor Dr. Addison Dr. Selby Dr. Safuadu owura Kreku ene ye mpanyimfo na wo mugina ye na so pa bebire kutekuta ye ne akasa ye nwuma apia menka na kire se sa meme kasa wonim se ye de ensa no adwane ye nim de na ye adwuma Rollins badwu wo munyina afu so wo munye sika on the baba politics e de abetu abanyegu nti apia menka kora de Rollins kan TV so masonie maninie se magana fo nto apia menka seminar opinion no sanse to a obenya sika no de abaye politics no de abetu abanyegu nsem no dos sabre no na ye mpanyimfo no aye mmede sika fam ene akwan hodo bebre so no Young Executive Forum ana na ye mabuna ye gina ye na so pa o ka business o ka professional lawyers ni accountants chartered accountants surveyors engineers any private business people wo mo gina ye na so ne kan ye hubo mu se ye nso ye beta party ye chi eba 92 no na kasa ne nya mu no ebra ye call 92 election no anye yi no nanka Young Executives epese alajamatin eba be candidate ana omususu ho ana mpanyimfo no bi owura pia menka titiri wo frɛ ala no hwensu we de ebesrew ye hu ne sa mo boa Young Executives wo mo ka ho pa kese sika foto a wo mo boye ene ye de boa me ye de to MPP First National Headquarters isimu nchen he ya kukumemle First National Headquarters
Young Executives
sika ye sika wo mpapa ansana ebinom so ebeboa pa ene ye de to dan ye isimu nchen First MPP National Headquarters Edubu ahe Professor Edubu ahe campaign emu kase emrante no baako ene to car Professor Edubu ahe de ye na dwuma kofili mekae wo yi ni botobu dollars o sabre na kofili do a tough guy kofintim ana wo de bua campaign no free Edubu ahe time na anye yi enti efe wo ye ne se sa de a ene nka wo mo akasa so TSM na nka ala no so abe candidate for 1996 election no ena mse mpanyimfo no kan ya se ye huno modern amobọ na mpanyin so ya bre na sesei mo betwa ye nyina gu nchen ti apia men kan ya na mse brantie no biti ase na alan one contest ena ye call 96 legon ena owura Kufuor win candidate no ena ye ntimi en win election in 98 no ena alan an contest 98 sunyane na alan an contest ena na Kufuor ado ene Kufuor ene others Malik nom eko contest ye ena Kufuor nyae ene se ye de ba 2001 enti 2001 no sukura ye ba ye no President Kufuor san ye ne senka alan o meye minister right from the beginning no so me boa business sector no private sector no me tete enkrofo mrante ne maba ya hyehyire dwuma no so koso intimately dia no so aboa aban no kwan bi so initially kufo G2 no ye ne kakra na achiri kufo ye se da bi still han pese wo ba aban no nti sa dia mayor ambassador to United States Alan Koy na emiri bi ho Ghana fo bi ebe bo Alan Koy du se wo ko America koye ambassador for Ghana no wakwa akobo ketiri pasa de ama Ghana eba ne sen a yesi embassy de ye wo no ba bi ambassador te na ye kama ana waton ana wa sei sika no ni ade mekomu a mi ankasa meko Washington DC mi ankasa meko Potomac district ye catch there say America obi wo property along the Potomac River Washington na che say nipa no
odimu
enya asam ketwa Alanche Martin Koton ye property ketwa bi na wo ho e ambassador residence the Koton property e wo Potomac me mako ho personally me ambassador edu say bewu a akodidi ho me wura ho na me say hey ambassador wasi the Alan Jawa hama na me say what na we na Ghana 40 Ghana
ye kasa
ani ebo ni tri so Ghana wo property eti say wo Potomac Washington DC yanso yeso akobo katidi in fact eye me dan so me wura ho kakra but ana odidi ma ana president Kufuor second year say no Sambra beye trade minister na Alan beye trade minister a free party no ankasemu ede ba ban mu e kwan Alan e fa so ede ne homma e boa ede na dwenkyere ede boa aban no free Kufuor time presidential special initiatives enchine garments oil palm cassava ene de keke ka ho enne me ka sei wo mo a eye bie saabre no enchire wo mo didi ho mfa so be si ne cassava gina eye commence Guinness for e de ye bie omo de fra wo mo raw materials no aye nsu starch oil palm ukodwaben any other places are wo mo eye bi saabre no oil palm plantations are wodwaben ni other regions and the PSI eda ho ye adwuma garments any export eda ho ye adwuma ode beto president Kufuor ni president Kufuor so gitum ene ye pagyae ene ne ye bia kopem 2008 ene yin so president Kufuor do san bae no woto nsa frɛ no adwenhwɛ ba ko ode ma aban no so gitum one district one factory ene de keke ka ho ni nyina asan pagya enti no se wo hwɛ Alan se wode ne modern born na dwenkyerɛ ebefoa de oman eye de aban eye de party eye so a na kyerɛ sɛ wo ye obi a wo mu a edi mu pa enti sɛ koba ne sɛ party fo nya na dom na Ghana fo nya na dom na wo meye mampani a megidi sɛ wono so ni ampanyimfo a abesene kura ba bedru na Kufuor ado so sabre no ono so be free sui na kyerɛ sɛ wono so ba obetuma yibi pa e de ato.
There are a lot of theories about for the but it said this is an internal party politics no. There are specific targets moni more kasa say. Yes. Delegates no.
Aye.
Amongst conversation at Ekosubini say ye doubt on the loyalty whether a do dear dinner on train ho and on done in the chi and on pound ho and the chi emma MPP amanyuko. Why do you say I say essence do baby tira mpese ha unya brechechim no eto de den na mentim ho ase aba party fa abato bi ho nsense ne nchimu abinti no otro krata ase party no oni omoto nkwanta o mapai sa asem de biada otese ko na aba otese ko na aba no kuro sa asem na de ni potin
you see no kuro wo na no kuro nim say asem de wo ka na opese wo ka che ya na obetuma kan ache ya no na eme wonwa se meyiwa no eme wase sabri ya party edrum pempensu atise ya ye face probably the most difficult election MPP to me face ever 2024 na sansem we num ene nia ehia ebinom ya eya na eya yura ho kakra sanse wo hwa na kire se sebio me madwene mu de ensem no bi wo ho a ehu nhia enso ya na ebinom pese yeyi enkomobo no eni nkutahodie no efiri de ehu hia so ede ko sebio ebenin de ehu hia so but enya abai de desese ye ka ebra ye call primaries ni wie 2007 ehu asem ye nyina ye nim ye kopre so akanti na wom emema kantinka edunson ede kopre wo Legon me na me ye gina secretary ye pre ye no abano over 80%, close to 80% there na ekuta Nana Akufo-Addo ene Alanchematen ana wo mo aka nso gu akiri ye party mra no nso kire se obi anya 50% plus 1 na se ye ko runoff inti na runoff no between Nana Addo ene Alanchematen na die nti a ema ehokọ ye hye no ya na sometimes na me kan ensem ni bi wo ho a anka ye digu akire mom
kebeboa
akabeboa pa I'm telling you because Legon asema make 2000 se me se me kire mu a wa hwe ya eno so ye nsem bebre because kwan ye nam so a problem no ko si wo Legon emu no kore enya ade a anka se ye kana bonten enti mebo modern na me de ato nchen eho ye hye pa akopem se MPP conference ye friend conference sisi amanfo ese congress beto aba na ye congress MPP conference aye koto aba yi flag bearer no armed military enya police o ikuta AK47 ene ba great hall na winim se nka enema ya akobone emu ho no ese akosa kamera ye di be 2 days kura wo Legon obi abre ho na alan sorry akase say party yene ana ye dia yene ana ebusua de tie bia obaako na beko benua pani Nana Akufo-Addo odi manim say me na medi nachi e bia ye kosa kan round kan metima wini abato de anything can happen but Messi form na mata nachi ehia say beko second round o ma hene da no ho a ka be hunu say ye hwe nsuonyu agu akoma ho because na empanyifo e wo gina na obia ho hyehye no na party e di free ho na de ko ba ne say afi ya to be ye wie obete ye say Branhafo obi o support hala Yakobo na prepare no party headquarters mi akasa manim e bi siye ade ya to ba wie ye ko campaign ana wan support ni Yakobo no ko ye ho Alan de ho complained by sabre no makamanu na ye chairman na me ye general secretary mpanyimfo ka se ye behwa aka na foforo asi Western region na foforo asi Greater Accra na foforo asi ha Yakobo wei adan a o support Alan bebre we nye party vo ni ma make afi na ya akoya ahomete asema Alan kan ni se na ya to ba wie na miminti ye be prepare binum obi kura ye pra no a chese enne dade ye hye nsem
Alanchematen
eya chese nse enti na nka me pese sansem we no anka yenya ka because wo kan na nsem yi ano so wo kan na se sa Alanchematen ne dofo bi nso eyi ano ma no so no ankasa mpo no won pese obekasa na se obi yi ano because ye say ni din dade ye hye obi nsem bisi ne metuma boni pani din a kire me de telephone number ma no afre na bisa nse eyampa na me yesa you know enye we na sabri ehu hia yen
na we nyina akọso na school of thought bi so dia ba say a combination of Alan Kojo-Kyerematen and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia or Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Alan Kojo-Kyerematen a fantastic deal.
Say intina me ka say san hye na ebino mo dwene no emwa party no o de ebeduru ho emwa kora problems ankasa wo ho a ye hwe solve a na party fo nyina obi atenka se o me nso abusua no me ka ho bi na yenyi mi mfiri mu eno mum na beboa yen na enye some cosmetic
for the camera be
there be whitewashing there be ensem na ye keka no na wa resign na yenye alamba mi ticket me say ensem no de hia yenka mi ankaza makwan ne me phrase bi na ne be de betu dwame kan na ba bi ada let MPP concentrate on the meat of the fish. Let MPP concentrate on the meat of the fish. Aye. Sabro from me so what be baby.
Na wo pese o kire sen.
Sa wo fa fish a eyensu mu nam. Ye twere ho ansa na ye di. Ye twitwa de du a. Ye twitwa ne ho ne fence ne ade no. Eno na se ye ya concentrate di ne ho twere na ye twere ato aguo no. Ene ne dua ne
na adwene koso.
Ene ho ne ye
nam na nkasa da.
Nam no ne ni na dua ne ye fa ne meat no, the meat of the fish. The meat of the fish.
Na mo twere ho.
Ye twere ho na ho nkasa ne ho ne dua ne na yi na ye twere. Eno so na se ya dwene ene ye bibia ya kɔ. Me de me sram pipifo. Let us concentrate on the meat of the fish. Eno ne aduane no. Eniema ba na bɛboa mpipimi awini. Wɔn a ɛpri yankari wɔn nyinaa yie. Yentie wɔn anu disem. Yenhwɛ mo a wɔde aboa party no. Yenhwɛ adwuma a wɔn ayɛ pɛn. Ɛne nia ɛyɛ wɔn ani so ade ho. Yenhwɛ sɛ akoma no te sɛn. Ɛyɛ ampa sɛ obi ka sɛ metimi ama enkabomu ne kore ya ba party mu a wakyerɛ bibi saa pɛn ana. Na wɔwɔ saa su ene saa ban no a ede nkabomu ne abusua koro ye eba no ana nyɛ sɛ wode wano ɛka wo na nke yɛse yɛ kɔka obia de wayɛ mamemra letter no so bio saa ne ma nyina na ala ne sɛ na de a yato aba wie obi support me a yato awie ede ne sɛ akɔtata nkrofo bo nkrofo ama ene dade hyɛ obi nsɛm besi nnɛ na me hu nti obi support me kakra ne ekotane ni sei dia ena na mentweme ho nyina nkyɛn na nipa nso ne ho ntɔno no nyina somdwe ɔde krata no bae no owura makamanu no de kɔma no first ɔsomae no na saa no owura makamanu tu kwan krata efiri ala no hɔ koduru owura makamanu wɔ airport de eti ya ne sɛ Joy FM na nso eti Joy FM fo na frɛ me as general secretary say Alan Chamatin resign fi party na me say onya no kore ana o san frɛ me bio na me frɛ Alan say mate bibi say wa twere letter bi wo say ai wo hefa wo say me o office na me say ne twɛn me ho me ba na bi me ka call ne office wo cantonment na me say krata no na me hwɛ na me say na we dey na say maka kyerɛ mo ansa mo enti mo pese me nti ye prepare nkofo kunkum nkrofo ansa na me call president nkofo ho na me president nkofo ko tenase na ono so frɛ Alan makamanu watu kwan nti obae ɛhɔ ne yɛfrɛ mpanifo bi owura director nom ne ade ne yɛsɛ look Alan de ha no no kore ada na party mpanifo mo so mo nhwɛ nka enti ne yɛnhwɛ nka asɛm no ɛne ɛma no awerɛhyɛm sɛ asɛm ne ɛbɛhwɛ aka na saa taya yɛ tata na chirifo ne ade ɛto betwa ɛto antwa da ana wasa atwro statement say look asem na mboka asem obeka no
monkai
se monkan hede a enya me nso ye kan ase nka ontwe krata no letter no nsan na ye resolve no se da bi mon resolve asem na mo mama assurance mon resolve mon so me se me ntwe letter nsan ene ye kan ya se ye beka ana Alan atwe letter yi san ye se asem no ye kan na sabre no a anka me nyini se enne
yo ho
obi sa aka resignation asem na resignation ene say enne wɔtwerɛ resignation sɛ wo free president Akufo-Addo abayi mu sɛ Akufo-Addo anyi antum no sɛ Alan hold on fa letter no to nkyɛn a wa resign na resign enti me kasa Alan Chamatin resign I know what I'm talking about enti MPP for mesremo let us concentrate on the meat of the fish na yɛnhwɛ de de kɔ yɛnimu a sɛ aba na yɛ kɔto no me de me kama sisu bio 2024 is going to be the most difficult election for MPP. Yempeu sa netie.
Adentia.
Oh, na Ghana for say break 8 no, we ko 8 na we aba 8. Enye mra o, nso amanfo de nam wiem. Nti de ye be ye ne say, ye ko convince Ghana for say, 8 ne de, enye mra. Na mom ye hwe de ye dada, de di kan no. De to so mi no. Nia e be ye ni be ma no ayede ne ba, nipa no ayede ne ba no. Montie na no disem say, ono so ba. And that's what I say, and that's when you ho. Na yamfa 8 don to nkyɛn. Ebinom so awi atai say NDC say 8 no de, and ye yanso ye eduru ye so 8 no ye nkyɛ no chimpe. Eno no enya de de kyekere man say 8 years. What is the content of the message that whoever is going to take over from Nana Akufo-Addo is bringing.
But a fantastic submission. And until a suggestion about say, it's a say, oh, MPP Amanyoku no so be breaking 8. Now the lead contenders are in the Caribbean without no. And they say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Alan Chairman head to head. Inti ade na sa confirm anyway no. Mon komo mbom. Na mon timi ni mon komo. Na mo amon fa nko na mon ko ditumi na mon break 8 no.
Why would anybody even suggest that in the first place?
Enye papa.
Me say me ma sense why would you tell me? Why would you suggest that in the first place? First of all, party yeah the constitution they run. And you will be a suggestion. O suggestion ba you better be the aye adwuma. But a very critical, very sensitive, very important issue such as the election of a presidential candidate. Don't forget to say Obia we interest the best thing for MPP in order to avoid confusion and it's all constitution constitution there Obia to make say a favor we and a favor we. Two, when I work as a lead contender, I might agree with you. And so what? There are other people who equally qualify who are also contesting. Three, any first timer MPP, ye be ye presidential candidate, any ni akase, ye presidential candidate, party ni be juriegu. Na democracy na ye di anim e Ghana ni Africa. Na ye party democracy. Say na we don't have any moral right to tell anybody say MPP is the bastion of democracy in Africa and so on and so forth. You don't say these things by your mouth. You practice it. Democracy one of the challenges. I do agree. But the whole world, majority of nations and people around the world, who say democracy in the downside and the upside is probably the best for now. You try communism, one party state, ebia bagana ha, socialism. China for okra womudi communism enim, socialism enim. Democracy money man, omo who say baby into omo wi kakra, even though still are omo communist no. Omo wi kakra. Na ye ni ye kan say ye ni ye boy ye ho nsamrane say ye de kemam ke bia ban ne de ye ni ye di animu no. Ade nti na duru baby de a. Na obi akose obviously enipa bi wo ho a eye wo mo private personal interest. See a better see. Obi answer private interest, personal interest. And unti nambra a level ni nyina ma ye nyina. Said ye be ya obi nko ka se ene idru me so na me penso na mo ye ni see. Wo de mra ye adwuma, woni problem. Nana Akufo-Addo 2007 ye no as candidate no. 2008 obi ye ni running mate. And also ko ye asampa. Di kan on my national council edin bi se we na mepe se me running mate ye bobo ho na mpanyimfo adwene ansai ena ya anyantum in fact nani anje afi ko ban ya mpanyimfo no bi nso suggest obi nso din e ma no eno nso ono nso nani anye ho afi ko ya kakra bae no Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia din na aba na manfo si na se we kura do ono onye party member Onya party member.
Dr. Bawumia.
At that time, onya member of the party. Na ye den na prekope ye huri no ko jina presidential running mate. Ekoye ntokwa ewo Alisa Hotel. Na nye easy. Ye twen ya President Akufo. No sorry say look. Ebujafo masem na mo kan matiase. Ye nyina ya tiase. A constitution say candidate no nominate ya. Na council approve. But say no ono de ba ko bae mo anyi antum. Mo nso mo de bi koma no ono nso anyi antum. Wasan de foforo aba afi bo se la mo se mo nyintuma na eyese ne a party no eya ma candidate no ne ho akere no dodo. De toso mienu nso o kan say candidate se jamboa no a president and a running mate na be a vice president. Enti ono no ne be ya adwuma papa day to day. It is when you be a or no so I feel comfortable. A beya ding. 3, 4. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so oh body papa oh sikasua sikascam ne hujan se economics and economic management intino president candidate say no so beboa no eno so de obi ni ho beka say economy ehia no enti momi empene so na general secretary emma concession no on sign card enfama no na yenyi
concession to sign a card.
Yes, na yenyi the demand constitutional demand say just nipa na ye member in good standing for 5 years. And so no bet me a presidential candidate or running mate no.
That's Dr. Badwam.
Yes. Me na me tie dwam as general secretary. It has ma me kan tie ni ye. Ana empanyifo no binum nsem aye kan ho no epia abode e basa. Ana aja ye de amemene feel ene ye de pene so. Enti sa bre no candidate no e na Akufo-Addo no. Ye ma no sa concession no ene ye de ne preferred running mate ma no. Na ne obi tira ba bi say ebinom anhyehyɛ na sa ala na ye candidate ba omianya na running mate by force. Se ba omianya na ye candidate ala anya na running mate by force. So obetimi na ye adwuma so ndimi eno de ye musa. Na eno ne ye pasomdwe anase ye peden. Enti se koba ne se ye to abayi. Na nya me prefer candidate ala nchemati ni wi ni e. Ana obi foforo na wi ne enye Dr. Badwam. No so ye be stop no se mo no enyi candidate of feels on so betimi na ye adwuma na. Oh so ena me se wo solve problem a. Enti na me pe ala na asem no. Yenko problem no ni hini ni mie kuro no yie. Ekuro no dwu na ewu a. Ewu wo nante a wotu na a enan no ahoden wom. Bia me kan. Se me wo interest, se me ni interest. I am sure say tiefo be hu no say bia me kan sebio eto asomo. Eno nso baboa amasomdwe aba party.
Now, Ohene-Ntow, this is just one of the series because it's a countdown to their internal elections. We're just one out of the thousands that have been come over.
Wow.
Because the casa, the Alan Chairman, any Swadi, actually be Honma, a brand brand, but I need to back on a fan. Oh, she come and catch a delegates no money, catch them with the NT, self fatter say, a bread to say, MPP. Alan could do chairman to the back before.
Yo, man, me dasi. Where the abusuafo, me no delegates. If national chairman, general secretary, national executives, national council members, MPs, ministers, constituency executives, electoral area coordinators, polling station executives. Say, at the Saturday, I'm to one say, Yempe ubia. Or what party ho done tema wa bo afode kese pa dia ma party akire se ebere mu odin mo no otumi de wono an ambition personal ambition e bo afode ye e ma party nkabom na nkabom nso de se ye nya me dem gidi se 2024 no e be den mo amaye obi a oye kandifo a wono de sa nkabom no beba de etoso mienu ene se obi a wo betime agina kase sebio me a politician ade enso se me kase metimi ama adwuma ani sika aba ma kire bibi kakra eye president Akufo time sabre na menye president na menye vice president enso ma kire bibi kakra president Akufo time ma sanso ma kire bibi kakra one day say one factory industrial parks Africa Continental Free Trade Center policy amede ba ne se ye sikasem eni se ndwuma no be ye currency dollar ne si di be gina dollar anim na wagina se be ma no gise ye nya nhyehyɛ foforo bi a de wo ho no ye hye mu kana no na ye be ye mfidi dwuma amanone ne ye de kɔ no ebuo no emu aye duru na sidi na ebenya weight na fe ye sidi no atem din jobs edwuma eba cash eba ye botom sanse kuayo nso eno nso de ye yakodro no me be pagam na afei MPP wini a obia nso chefa ewomo no nyame boa yen a ono so ne nsa aka enkoye se wo soro nko na obenya bie ana wo ha na obenya bie enti delegates mesremo 2024 enyamre mayen nanso ye nyina ya dwene kɔ bankurum ne yenya pani ni kandifo a owo saa odwo ne akomapa ene enkabom sunsum no ne ye nyina ye taa na chi a wo ani so ade ho a ɛso kɛse te sɛ ne ɔman hene kan ye kire bɛka great transformational plan no a na kyerɛ sɛ ampa ye kɔkɔtɔn ma Ghana fo a wo mu asɛbe ye ho afono wo mu mpo no ɔmbɛhu no sɛ afei de ya frɛntom afoforo biu ye ho ayɛ fɛ kwan afoforo so na ɔmagye atom ni ato ama power ne yehia enti ye nhwɛ ye num nyina na delegates Alan so osrem wasom na ebre nso aso se saa dwumade mu de ma no a obehye party animonyam na wahye Ghana nso animonyam medam asepa.
Well, medana no Ohene-Ntow medana CP na afi maka say Alan Kwadwo chairman say mayenye omana kasa nko na yentimi action no be. Say yeah, just one out of the millions series na ni team na Alan team ni bedi nko. Medase so so wajebre no wati onyame de chair echina another beautiful day. Thank you so much.